welcome to MTech. As you guys know, we always have very, high performance, interesting cars here. So, as you can see here, my good colleague and friend here is working on a Mercedes, and it seems like he might be struggling a little bit. So I'll probably help him out. So
a little bit.
we'll see you guys back. I might just help him out real quick. All right, I'm out. MTech on 3. Welcome back, guys, to another exciting episode at MTech Performance. Here's my good.
We're on. Hey, how's it going, Charlie?
Hey,
nice
happy New Year, bro.
As you can see here.
As you can see here, my guy here is
just trying to make some used pipes work for this for our close friend here.
doing whatever it takes to get this car up to perfect spec, running the right way. That's what we do here, MTech.
Yep. Sounds great. Alrighty.
You gotta say something?
Work. I'm not gonna lie, for them little cats, it was holding back a lot. With them new race pipes, it definitely sounds a lot better, I'm not gonna lie.
That's so crazy. Look at the wheel shape.
That is crazy.
Bro, the back goes.
Do it again? They shaking.
Well, that's why it goes sideways. Whenever you press on the goddamn accelerator, the wheels turn. What the hell?
Mix up, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, for these Dodge Challengers, it's not spinning or going sideways at all.
Yeah.
This customer definitely got this thing set up nice and right for the street for sure. Well, now all she does is spin. When you try to launch it, she spins. Oh wow! Oh wow! This boy got that carbon feed rate. That's what you call ultimate weight reduction, Jordan. Not no C63 taking out the back seats.
Hey, that shit, it didn't do anything, bro.
It didn't.
It didn't do anything.
My boy windows say 11.5. I mean, I got a 328, so I'm slower. You feel me?
Yeah, they'll be functional. Once I code the car, they'll be functional.
Should make that.
Make sure you guys are coding your cars after you put these, retrofitting these new parts in, man. You can't be out here riding around with lights and all that, restraining system, all that. Yeah,
It's gonna have an M4 340.
Everybody back to work. Got a lot of stuff to do here. How much will you take? Chop, chop.
Charlie, ask yourself, what are you doing?
MTech before.
You're changing oil, but the car is nowhere on the lift. It's on the other side. Ain't no changing oil going on over here.
Oil changing, bro.
Oil changing?
Yo, MTech, son. MTech.
lot of power coming from the Porsche. It's gonna be a fun ride. Why are you standing like that?
Because you're candid camera, bro. I'm trying to be a little lower to the screen. And I got stuck in that position.
What are you up to now?
Can I help you? I'm researching a tool. I'm trying to find a tool, a spark plug tool. I'm gonna get the new, latest, upgraded one. Because it's always good to have tools. Hey! What's up, guys? M-Tech. Oh, I ain't got nothing today. I ain't got the today, you know. Yeah, more for focusing on work and stuff. Cause there's a lot to do. There's always a lot to do here. A lot. There's a good reason why too. Very good reason why. So yeah, doing an oil change, spark plugs, inspection, wheel spacers, and black loose air intakes. I'm gonna get this thing up and going. This oil really pours out of here when it's coming out.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, it really like just blasts out of here.
Wow, that's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is that coolant?
Oh God. No, that's not what's missing. Oh yeah, right there. See that shit? Right up in there.
Wow.
Pretty bad. That's pretty bad.
You can really see right through it. That's crazy.
We're not gonna ask questions. We're just gonna repair it. I got it. Sean, you want to get this photo with me? Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Yo, this shit's not even on. Your charger not even plugged in, is it?
Right.
Oh, it is plugged in.
You gotta come from this side, Sean.
Why isn't it charging?
Which side does my hair look nicer?
I don't know.
Just check, Sean. Which side does my hair look nicer? There's one side that it flows and one side that doesn't flow. I think it's this
This is the
side.
flow side.
You need to be on this side.
Flow side.
Can you please?
Flow side is driver side.
Driver's side. I'm a left-hand drive, okay? All right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Go ahead. Now you got to get the picture with like you're blurring out this guy here.
He's
right? 'Cause
blurred in the back.
see,
You can
he's
barely
on the
see
website
him.
a lot, and he takes more of the spotlight. So you need to blur him out.
You can barely see him in the background right
Blur
now.
him out, and then just get most of me, okay?
Oh, he's coming through.
Nah. Okay, nah, Sean, you can't be doing that. It's my chance to be in the spotlight. Chill out, bro. Alright? Alright, yeah, go ahead.
It's a video, Charlie. It's for the YouTube channel.
It's a video?
Yeah.
So you got me saying all that?
Yes.
See? He's kind of, you know, he's not right in the head.
So what are you doing here, Charlie?
PTG air intake to give it a way better flow than the stock air boxes, because they're a little bit restricted. And also that's, you know, carbon fiber is going to keep the air temperatures down, you know, stuff like that. Hey guys, so we just got the intake air box installed from PTG, and already I'm just driving out of the shop, and the car already feels like a lot more responsive already. Lightly tapping on the gas, you feel it, you know? We're gonna take it out right now, just take it for a drive, you know. Put on a little full throttle, see what it feels like, see what it sounds like. I'm already hearing a little turbo spool. Yep. Yeah. You hear it. You definitely hear it. Alright, let's just do one more. It's a lot more like, you hear like a lot more of the rumble of the intake on acceleration. Pretty badass.